be at 15 seconds, 12 seconds, 10, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Let's see what's going to happen. Oh, what is it going to be listed at? That's what we're waiting. We're waiting. We're waiting. We are waiting. It hasn't come out. What's going on? What's happening? We cannot find the coin. Oh no. Oh no. Is this a scam? What is going on? The list price is 0. What are we talking about? Does this make sense at all? What is this? We can't even find it. Oh no. I can see the 0 has turned green. It's now red. What is going on? I cannot find anything. Let's look at the depth of the market. Well, let me just try and refresh and see, has anything happened? Okay, let's go to the 15-minute mark. Oh, it's out now. It's out now. Was it out? What is going on? What is this? It got to 0.015. Wow, 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 wow. Can you see this? It's practically in the red. Will this ever get to green? Oh, we're watching together. Welcome on this launch of the IRYS. This is looking funny. Let's see how this goes. Okay, happy watching. Okay, now it's turned green. It's turned green. Green it is. Now it's 0.01486. Oh, you want to get in here, guys? Are you here? Well done. Welcome, guys. Say hi in the comments. Look at IRYS. I always love to come to see this at the beginning of the launch because you need to check this out. It started with a red tape. Red tape, and it's going down. It's going down. It's going down 0.1452. Okay, let's watch and see where this is going to take us. Oh my God, guys. What do you think about it? Do you think this is a good buy? Let me know in the comments. Do you think it's something? I don't like to take coins that are this young. No, I like to watch them. That's what I'm here to do, to view it. And we will check to see whether this will actually make any sense. We don't know. Guys, how you doing? Hi. Okay, it's still on the red, guys. Look at this. It's still on the red, guys. But we will check it out and see what's going to happen in a bit. Happy viewing. Okay, we back. We are back. What is going on here? Well, this looks like it's quite stable. We're in the 1 hour mark, but I want to go to the 15-minute mark time frame to see what's going on. So in the past 15 minutes, or within the past 15-minute mark, we saw that currently IRYS is going up. So this is the best time if you want to get into this kind of coin. This is the best time to get into it, because once it gets beyond, this point, I think it's currently at 0.0149. Once it gets beyond, excuse me, once it gets beyond 14, once it gets beyond 0.15, I tell you that's the time it's going to start coming down. And of course, you can see that we don't even have our RSI out yet. It's currently at period 14, but it's not giving us anything right now. You can see it's already coming down. It's already coming down. For those that have entered at the beginning, definitely they made their money and they've opted out. And that's what's going on right now. So while this is going on, let's go check what's happening to BTC. Let's go into, excuse me, let's go into the main hot market and see what's going on with BTC. BTC is appreciating. It's been appreciating in the pound all the way from 103,000. Okay, it's like it's trying to, let me see if I can actually. Okay, let me go into the spot trading section. That will give me what is actually going. Let's go into the spot trading section. Let's check what's going on with BTC. BTC, where is BTC? Let's check. BTC is here. So BTC is currently 87. I want to check the charts. The charts I'm really interested in, so we can see what's been happening in the past and see whether that is going to, okay, like I told you, in the past hours, it's been appreciating. There was a time it did a retest. It got to 88. Was really hoping that it was going to go beyond, but, well, that's what's happening right now. It hasn't gone beyond. Still, trying to ascend. But I think I'm having some hope. I'm having some hope that BTC is actually going to, begin to go upwards in a better and structured way. But as you can see, the majority of the market is still on the red. I mean, if we check Ethereum, let's check what's going on with Ethereum. It's the same structure. As you can see, the same structure. It's just going down and then now trying to go up. Even though right now it's currently in the flux as we speak. And even if we check, let's check, where's BNB? Is BNB still going up? BNB is looking like it's going down, people. BNB has tried, but right now it's at 855, 853. They're all trying to break out of, the down zone. But I tell you, it's not so easy to break out from there. Let's get back into our IRYS. Where is that again? IRYS. Oh, where is it? It has gone. Well, another one is coming up in 2 hours. I mean, I wonder why someone would call their coin, scam. What a name that is. Okay, I'll check for IRYS. I'll go search for it. It's somewhere at the bottom there. But let's just come back here and look for IRYS. Okay, so IRYS. It's currently here. It's currently dovetailing right now. It's dovetailing. As you can see there, it's on the red. Let's just wait and see what's going to happen in a few minutes. All right, so let's talk about the problems or the challenges with listing on MEXC or MEXC as the name implies. is that a lot of coins are given opportunity to just launch. But I tell you, a lot of coins die off quickly on Mexi. I've seen that happen a whole number of times, right? Now, of course, I must tell you, I've made good money from Mexi, because if you're able to come in and do like this kind of pump and dumps, you'll be able to make good money if you come in at the right time and leave at the right time. Okay, a lot of reasons why people lose money in pump and dumps is because they are greedy. And in trading, you cannot afford to be greedy. You cannot afford to be emotional. You cannot afford, right, to just allow your emotions run you. No, look at it right now. It's currently at 0135. So a lot of people, instead of taking small profits and leaving, they will stay there. And that's what makes people lose their money. That's just the truth. You need to be very, what I call it, conservative when it comes to getting your profits out. I don't do too much of, new listing arbitrages, because I would want the coin to have been tested for a bit, and that would help me to know the kind of coin it is. So, but I'm only showing you this because I actually got interested in even seeing the launches on this Maxine. But the reason why a lot of coins die out, look at the liquidity. Just look at it. It's very small. 29K, just like $30,000 worth. People that actually list on Binance, they go through, number one, a strict scrutiny, strict, regulations that ensures the longevity of the coin. I was actually editing one of my videos, today, and I actually had done that trade some time ago, and I saw that trade, in terms of the trade, was a profitable one. Yeah, very good and profitable one. But I'm saying that, the stability of that coin has been for a long while, because I tried to trace it into how long it's been there, and I saw that this particular coin has been there on Binance for a while. And I was like, interesting, because you see, Binance doesn't take things like this for granted. They put in a lot of strict regulations. So before they admit a coin into their exchange, they would have done a whole lot of scrutiny. But what does Mexi do? They just allow people to come and host their coins, and they don't really care if it dies out. I'm saying that now. They don't care. So that's why you have to analyze very well. Know what you want to get out of the particular trade. Come in and get out. Don't try to stay for the longevity of it. It's gonna die out eventually. I'm telling you, I've seen a whole lot of coins, rise and dry out on Mexi. But is there money to be made on Mexi? Of course. Now, another thing that I like about Mexi, or that I would like to say that is a pro, is that there are actually no trading fees. No trading fees. No trading fees. Of course, probably they, right? Except maybe if you're transferring, maybe to another exchange, of course, there will be transfer fees. Okay. But when it comes to trading itself, it's zero fees, people. Zero. So this is interesting. Right now, it's currently at 0.012, people. If you want to get in, this is your last call. Get in now, because it's going to just go crushing down. Crush it. So I would just advise you, come in quickly and get out. Okay. So, but at this point, it's looking like, I don't think it's worth buying. For now, I'll just say right now, if you didn't come in much earlier, forget it. Forget it. Anyway, this was actually the capture of, the launch of IRYS. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it. I'll come again to come and show you another launch, because I love to check, and this will help you to analyze, to know whether the coin is even worth buying, right? I don't buy them when they're this young, except when I know the potential that they offer, right? But if you want to make money from new listing arbitrage, you got to get in fast and get out fast. I hope that makes sense. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on another live stream. Take care.